2 of eating candy. So, the part 1, I got the milk cube. So, I got the 2, the choco cube and the strawberry cube.
And I got the strawberry cube. Now I have the milk cube and the choco cube.
So,
Here's the part 2 because we didn't have too much time.
of the part 1.
One.
So, let's pick.
Okay,
One,
we're gonna
two.
close our eyes.
Oh my god. And
We
we
got the same one.
That choco cube
It's chocolate.
inside.
We are from Philippines as we call this more Milo.
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 And we're from Philippines, of course, we call the Milo.
Yes.
In English, they call choco.
And we call the milk gatas. And the strawberry is strawberry.
Oh, look at the choco. It's color brand.
Yes, but
Hindi siya makita.
it's it has a little bit dark brown in it. The real color is light brown, but there's some small spots on it. Cheers! Ouch, my heart hurts.
I rate this also 7 out of 10 because the texture is so hard too, and I don't like her.
I'm gonna rank this
and her texture is so hard, and I don't like his flavor. So I'm gonna rate her 7 out of 10, and the strawberry is.
She forgot.
I forgot.
We thought we ate strawberry. So I rate this
And
a solid 2 out of 10. I don't like the texture. It's so hard and slimy.